Adding tags to Shopify product pages is a simple and effective way to improve your store's search functionality and product organization. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of adding tags to your Shopify product pages quickly and easily. First, you need to log in to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. From there, select the product you want to add tags to and click on the product title to open the product page. In the product page, scroll down to the Tags section, which is usually located at the bottom of the page. Click on the Add Tags button and enter the tags you want to add to your product, separating each tag with a comma. For example, if you are selling a t-shirt, you can add tags like t-shirt, men, women, clothing, etc. It is essential to keep your tags relevant and concise, as this will help your customers find the products they are looking for quickly. You can also use a mix of niche and broad tags to attract a wider range of customers. For instance, if you are selling a product that is specific to a particular region or culture, you can add tags that are relevant to that region or culture. Once you have added your tags, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Your tags will now be visible on your product page, and customers can use them to search for similar products. Best practices for adding tags to Shopify product pages include using a consistent tagging system across all your products, avoiding duplicate tags, and keeping your tags up to date. You should also use tags that are relevant to your products and avoid using tags that are too broad or too narrow. By following these steps and best practices, you can add tags to your Shopify product pages quickly and easily, and improve your store's search functionality and product organization. This will help you provide a better shopping experience for your customers and increase your sales and revenue.